What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the fuel filter on your W124 300 turbo diesel. Let's get right into it. Alright, this is the fuel filter. This is actually the new fuel filter because I already did it, and I just didn't show the beginning of it, so I just want to give a quick idea in the beginning of how to do it. So fuel filter, that's your power steering reservoir. And there's your engine. So there's your fuel filter. That's a 19mm bolt that comes out. You're gonna need to move this out of the way, this line here, and move the radiator hose out of the way. I mean, just like pull it back and finagle it out. But that's all you need to do. Just unscrew this and pop this out. Takes a little bit of hard work and perseverance, but yeah. Without any further ado, I'm gonna show you what I already did in past tense. All right, let's go. All right, here I have the bolt out that goes both into the top of the fuel filter. I got it out, and there are these two ring seals here, gaskets rather. One here and one here. Got the first one out, and I'm using like a little pick to kind of get in the groove and pull it out. The first one I broke. It's all right, because hopefully the new ones will fit. And there's the new ones. And I'll pop that back in. Okay, here I got the rings off, gaskets, rubber things. I hit it with some brake clean just to get the dirt off. I have these new ones. I lubed them up with some diesel. You can use diesel, oil, whatever you want, just to get them kind of, lubed, so to slide them on. And I'm gonna start with the bigger one first. And yeah. Okay, I got it in a vise to hold it in place. I got the first one on using two picks to kind of gently pop it over. You don't want to break these, just, kind of frowned upon. Now I'm going to try the second one, the smaller one. Wish me luck. Okay, so I got it on. Now I just got to pull it down. That was sort of harder, but with hard work and perseverance, you get it done. Back outside, I got it on. And now I can show you how it all goes together. Here is where the fuel filter goes in. The bolt goes down in here. It's a 19 millimeter. You're gonna want to fill this up with fuel and lubricate these two seals here with fuel or oil or whatever you want, I guess. Not whatever you want, there's limits to these things. You gotta really kind of pull this radiator hose back, and try not to spill in the belts, and move this a little bit out of the way. And it's a little bit of a tight fit, but you can do it. I believe in you. All right, let's do it. All right, so quick recap. I popped off 19 millimeter, I don't know if it's called actually a banjo bolt, but it looks like a banjo bolt, so I'll call it a banjo bolt. Pop that off, pop this out. To go back in, you just push it back in, hold it with one hand, find the hole with the other, and just tighten it up, and then, use a wrench on it. And I just put this back in place. I had this out of the way to get at that, and I had to push this back. Just wipe the fuel off any hoses, because you don't need that there. On belts, it's not the not good stuff for that kind of thing. Belts are supposed to stay dry. You just saw me check the fuel filter for any leaks. There were no leaks. It was snug, all good. You want to check just to make sure. And now I'm out. I'd like to thank my dad for teaching me how to do the replacement for the fuel filter. Really everything I know is from my dad. Some of it's from YouTube and other places. Other places I picked up along the way, but the vast majority, I should say, is from my dad. Thank you so much once again for helping me out. It was cold doing that job, so thank you very much. Love you, Dad.